Welcome back to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you guys something I have not shown yet, and that's simply how to change your oil. If you like our work, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and you'll be notified every time we put a new video out. Thank you. For our Altimas, we require 5W30 and a Fram at 7317. Make sure you chalk your wheels up. Alright, so first step is you want to remove the oil cap. You just want some air to be able to seep in to help the oil drain better. Another trick to let your oil drain better is to have the engine completely warmed up. The oil is more liquidy, more viscous, so it helps all the oil to drain out faster. Grab our oil drain. Alright, so go ahead using our 14 millimeter, and we're going to loosen it. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so while the oil is still draining, I usually grab my oil filter and just check it, make sure the gasket's on good, everything looks right. I'm going to open up my oil. So I want to fill it up about halfway with oil. This is to reduce the time it takes for oil to enter the engine. And then the excess oil that I obviously missed, I take and I kind of go around this gasket here. When you take this filter off 3,000 or 5,000 miles from now, this gasket's not going to stick on you. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fish out my drain plug right there. Okay, you want to make sure it has a copper washer on it still. If your copper washer's gone, it could either be on the drain pan itself or it could be in your drain pan. We'll go ahead and put our drain plug back on. And then we'll just go ahead and tighten it by hand. Make sure it's good and snug. Alright, so we got our oil filter wrench here. Tighten it up. And you just want to make sure that you're actually loosening it and not tightening it. And once you do that, you just turn it. Okay. And make sure you have your drain pan underneath to catch all the oil. Is you want to make sure you look at your oil filter and make sure the gasket, the old gasket, is still on there. So just make sure that the oil filter gasket is off of here and actually still on the old filter before you install the new one. Just gotta clean up all this. Alright, so the next step you want to do is you want to take your oil filter and then just put it in it and screw it on. And oil filters can be tightened by hand. Just tighten it by hand as tight as you can, and that should be enough to seal it. Once we got everything on and snug, we're gonna go ahead and clean off any oil. Don't worry about all that extra oil. I got an oil leak on mine. Just want to wipe it down. Put our funnel down. Take this off, put our oil cap back on, turn until it clicks. Okay, at this point I'm just going to take my old oil and pour it into the jug that I had my new oil in, and then when I'm done here I'm going to take it to my local auto parts store, and they should be able to take your old oil and use it for recycling. Alright, so let's check the oil level. So first time you take it out, you just wipe it clean. You usually want the engine to sit for about 5 minutes before you actually do this. Alright, so let's take it out. You can see right there, it's a little bit over. That is because I put all 5 quarts in, but that's okay. I have an oil leak, so it should go back down eventually. Alright, put it back in, and you're done. Alright, that's it for this video. The oil level was a little bit high, but like I said, I have that oil leak going on right now. It's basically the oil cooler assembly. It's leaking oil slowly. You can actually check out the video I had before this video on actually confirming the oil leak. That will be at the card at the top of the screen. But other than that, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like our work, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos, and we'll see you on the next one.